Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, bed liner, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.